CD2. Unit 17. 1.1.
Ah, ah, ah.
1.2.
Ah, 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 ah.
2.
Cap, cup, hat, hut, cat, cut, fan, fun.
3. A.
Is this your cap?
B.
Look at that little hut.
C.
That's a very bad cut.
D.
It's a fun shop.
4. Boys' names.
Sam, Dan, Jack, Andrew, Patrick,
Girls' names.
Anne, Karen, Patsy, Sally, Hannah,
Surnames.
Love, Young, London, Monday.
4. Boys' names.
Sam, Dan, Jack, Andrew, Patrick,
Girls' names.
Anne, Karen, Patsy, Sally, Hannah,
Surnames.
Love, Young, London, Monday.
6.
Son, mother, brother, husband, uncle, cousin, grandson, grandmother.
6.
Son, mother, brother, husband, uncle, cousin, grandson, grandmother.
8. 1.
Patsy Young is Dan Monday's mother.
2.
Sam Monday is Patsy Young's husband.
3.
Dan Monday is Sam Monday's son.
4.
Dan Monday is Hannah Monday's brother.
5.
Anne Love is Dan Monday's grandmother.
6.
Dan Monday is Andrew Young's grandson.
7.
Patrick Young is Dan Monday's uncle.
8,
Jack and Karen Young are Dan's cousins.
9,
Sally London has just one son.
10,
Karen Young has just one brother.